Why should I service my central vacuum? Well, regularly servicing your central vacuum system is important for several reasons. Efficiency: dust and debris can build up in the system, reducing suction power. Servicing helps maintain optimal performance. Longevity: routine maintenance can extend the lifespan of your vacuum, preventing costly repairs or replacements. Air quality: a well-maintained system minimizes allergens and dust particles being released into your home, improving indoor air quality. Preventative care: identifying potential issues early can save you from more significant problems down the line. Odor control: regular cleaning and filter changes can help eliminate unpleasant smells that can accumulate in the system. Overall, servicing your central vacuum ensures it operates effectively and keeps your home cleaner and healthier. How often should I service my central vacuum? It's generally recommended to service your central vacuum system at least once a year. However, the frequency can vary based on usage and factors like household size. Larger homes or those with pets may need more frequent servicing. Dust levels: if you live in a dusty area or have allergies, consider servicing every 6 to 8 months. Filter and bag changes: check filters and bags regularly. Change them as needed, usually every few months. Performance issues: if you notice a decrease in suction or unusual sounds, it's best to have it checked immediately. So, what is involved in a central vacuum repair and service? Well, a central vacuum repair and service typically involves several key steps. First up, inspection. Technicians check the entire system, including the power unit, piping, and inlet valves for any visible issues or damage. Next is cleaning. They clean out the vacuum's main canister, filters, and any clogged pipes to ensure optimal airflow and suction. Filter replacement: if applicable, filters are checked and replaced to improve air quality and system efficiency. Bag replacement: if your system uses bags, they are replaced as needed. Electrical check: technicians inspect the electrical components, including the motor and wiring, to ensure everything is functioning properly. After maintenance, the system is tested for suction power and performance to confirm that everything is working efficiently. The technician may provide advice on any potential repairs or upgrades based on the system's condition. Choosing AceVacuums for your central vacuum repair and service will be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise: at AceVacuums, we have knowledgeable staff who can guide you in selecting the right central vacuum system based on your needs. Variety of products: at AceVacuums, we offer a wide range of brands and models, allowing you to find a solution that fits your home. Installation services: at AceVacuums, we provide professional installation, ensuring that your system is set up correctly for optimal performance. Repairs and maintenance: AceVacuums repair services can help keep your central vacuum running efficiently, with regular maintenance options available. Customer focus: many customers appreciate our personalized service and support, making the buying and servicing process smoother. AceVacuums is the right choice for both purchasing and maintaining your central vacuum system. AceVacuums is conveniently located to serve customers from Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Virginia. Call or visit us for details. 703-997-9292, 300 Fort Evans Road Northeast, Leesburg, Virginia, 20176, 11110 Lee Highway, Fairfax, Virginia, 22030, acevacuums.com.